If you want to get the most out of this course, here are my top 4 tips. 1, there may be a gap in your knowledge. What I mean by that is you may read one of these video titles and think you already know everything there is to know about that topic, and that definitely may be true, but it might not be true. There might be a gap in your knowledge. These video lessons are only 5 minutes or less, so my suggestion would be stick it out and watch the video anyway. Worst case scenario, you realized that you had a gap in your learning, and best case scenario, you get a 5-minute brain break. Tip 2 would be to watch and then do. You have access to all of these workbooks that I'll use in all of the examples, but my suggestion would be to watch the video through once and then try it yourself. If you try to do it yourself while you're watching the video the first time through, that would be a lot for my brain to handle, and I think it's just best if we watch it once and then try to do it ourselves, and then if we need to, watch it again while we're trying to do it ourselves. Tip number 3 is to try the challenges first yourself, but don't get discouraged. The challenges are meant to see how much you've learned, but they are, in a lot of cases, the next level up. And it takes some time for our brains to connect the features that we're learning with the logical problem-solving part of our brain to make it all work. So if you don't get the challenges the first time around, don't worry about it, but give it a shot, see how far you can get. You may surprise yourself. Tip number 4 is to join the Facebook group. The Facebook group is a way that we can continue to connect even after the course is ended. And if you have a question, somebody in the community or myself can help answer it there. In the next lesson, there are some instructions on how to join the Facebook group. I really hope I see you there.